Emerald 300C. Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how to get this lantern set up. You're trying this way, it's hard. So you put it on the ground like this, push down, and there's two hooks inside that you gotta catch the bar with. See in there? Okay, now you take this lantern, there's these three grooves you line up, push this button on the side. Boom. Now it's done, it's on. It's a big fancy shoot light. You can brighten it, super bright. You turn it off, it's all the way down. It gets dark in here. You turn it all the way up. Brighten the whole room, that's for sure. You got your color change. I'll also show you here soon that the app that you can use to do lightning effects, all kinds of other stuff. It's pretty neat.